Hello, Montessori parents and educators. Today, we're talking about how to set up Montessori trays and shelves to create an organized, engaging learning environment for your child. In a Montessori space, everything has a purpose. Trays and shelves help children develop independence, concentration, and a sense of order by giving them easy access to hands-on activities. Montessori shelves should be low and accessible so children can take and return materials independently. Open shelves, rather than bins, help them see their choices clearly. Each activity should be placed on a tray. Choose trays with raised edges to keep materials contained and easy to carry. Trays should be lightweight and easy to carry. Large enough to fit all materials without overcrowding, simple and uncluttered. Now let's organize the shelf. Arrange trays from left to right, following a logical sequence of difficulty. Simpler activities on the left and more complex ones on the right. Top shelf. Practical life activities, pouring, scooping, buttoning. Middle shelf. Sensorial materials, shape sorters, color matching. Bottom shelf. Language and math activities, sandpaper letters, number rods. Less is more. Keep only a few activities on the shelf at a time. Too many choices can be overwhelming. Rotate materials every few weeks based on your child's interest and skill level. Show your child how to carefully take a tray, use the materials, and put it back where it belongs. This helps build responsibility and independence. A well-organized Montessori shelf fosters independence, creativity, and a love for learning. Try setting up your own at home and watch your child explore with confidence. Want more Montessori setup tips? Like and follow for more hands-on learning ideas.